Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing great. And today is a beautiful day in Florida. It's about 55 degrees and it feels really good. Well, today's video is gonna be about my fsport core air intake. I installed that about a year ago, but I did not make a video on it because at that time I didn't have a YouTube channel. Well, I did have a YouTube channel, but I wasn't posting anything on it. Since it's been a year, I'm gonna check the filter and see if it's still clean, and I will show you guys an idea of how I installed it. The first thing we gonna do is remove this plastic trim here and this one right there, so we can get to where the filter is. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, at first we're gonna use a flathead to remove those little clips. Okay, guys, now we kind of remove this part right here. Alright, guys, as you can see, I remove all the plastic trims, and this is the top of the back. So what you kind of do is to remove these four clips right here. Now this is the original one that wasn't there, and this is a fsport core intake. With the original one, I could just unclip these and then take that off and then just lift it. But with the fsport exhaust, I can't do this. I think I have to like remove the whole thing. All right, let's do it. Alright, guys, now I'm gonna use a flat head to remove the this piece right here. And just like that, this part is out, and here's the filter. As you can see, it's a little bit dirty, but like really not. It's just a tiny bit. It's not dirty to a point that it's bad, but to me it's still good. I'm just gonna wipe this side a little bit because, as you can see, there's a little sink here, and that would be it. Okay, guys, I just cleaned the filter. Well, I didn't really clean it, but because it wasn't that dirty. This is the bags that come with the fsport intake, it actually has a hole down here. That's what make it sound really deep and loud. And this is the first box that was in there, and this one was the original filter. Like if you put both of them side by side, you can see that that one is blue and has more high quality compared to this one. And for this part, when you disconnect it, like I can show you, like if you put them side by side, that hose right there used to go in here. And for this, I don't know what that one is for. And as you can see, this is all flex cable. Like to clean this, if this was still in there, I didn't have to remove that tab. But with the F-Sport intake, I can do this. So pretty much what's come in the box is these two pieces. You have to put one of them here and tie it, and one of them up there to connect it to the throttle body. It was really easy to install. I think it took me about maybe half hour. That's because that was my first time. I had to follow the action step by step, and it also says F product exhaust right here. All right, now that I checked everything, it's all clean, we're gonna put everything back together. Okay guys, we put in everything back together now. As you can see here, it says do not oil. I know some people think that when you installing this type of filters, you have to add oil, but on the Lexus cars it says you don't have to add any oil. All right, to put this back, you just simply just put it back where it was in place, and we're gonna put the top back. Okay, now that that is back in place, we're gonna have to tie this back. And just make sure you check this part here as well, because you never know while you are moving stuff here, they may come loose. Just in case, it's fine. I will check these again. See, that one was still loose. All right, everything is back to together. Okay guys, this intake make this engine sounds really good. When I say really good, it makes the engine sounds like a beast. Now in the video, it may not sound as good as it is in real life, but the first time I installed this and I started driving, finished, that thing put a huge smile on my face because the engine just sounds really good. Okay guys, now that we're done, we just have to put the plastic joint trim back together, and that would be it. Now I installed this last year. I think the car has about 48,000 miles on it. I can't remember. Now I'm at 54, and I don't know how long this filter is good for, how many miles, but that's something that I will have to check. And the F-Sport also comes with a label here to put that set F-Sport and part number, and right here it says do not throw away, do not oil. Oh well. Now the craziest thing is both of my headlight went out. On Friday, the drive first side turned purple, and then on Sunday it wouldn't work at all. And Sunday at that same day, the night, this one turned purple, and then by Monday it wouldn't work at all. So I just ordered the HID bolt for these two. So I will make a video on how to install the HID bolt in this car. But the craziest thing is I would have to remove the intake as well again and this side, because I don't know because Lexus just make it so hard to change the bolt in this car. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you are new to the channel, and if it's your first time and you'd like to, please subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you next time. Have a good day.